Welcome back. So let's get started. As we can see here, this is how you install Gobuster with Brew on a M1 Mac. So I'm always doing penetration testing on a M1 because I've lately been using an M1. Uh, I don't usually use my other devices besides this one. So to install Gobuster for penetration testing, web application security, just type in brew install Gobuster. And this will go ahead and install the dependencies, the packages, and all the source code for you to run Gobuster on a Mac M1. And as you can see here, don't worry about the permission denied, that only says it for me, but as you guys can see, I now have Gobuster installed. So we can actually give this a go, we can actually run this. So I'm going to go in my op directory because I got a word list. So if I was to run Gobuster tac or dir, then tac u for the URL. Just for example, we do not do this. Just do google.com slash. That's usually a HTTPS. If we go over here, word list, we do URL word list, and we run this. As you guys can see, it's already doing this. As you guys can see, we've already got statuses, we've got the about, so forth, da 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 da. So we already found directories using Gobuster. Anyways, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next.